Alright guys, so what do I have now? I have this Ford F-150. There's another video I'm in the middle of making in regards to ball joints and stuff like that. And I did cover part of this, or at least the discovery of this. But I'm replacing the belt tensioner. Let me show you what I got. So it's an 02 F-150 with a 4.6. It's a farm truck. It's used only on a farm. It's not even registered anymore. So if you look down here, you can see the belt tensioner is actually coming apart, and the bearing actually fell out of it, or blew out of it, or whatever, but the actual pulley is grinding into the timing cover. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the belt and a tensioner, and I'm going to basically get that thing off. And it's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can get my phone down there. There you can see part of it. It's completely worn away, but it's digging into the cover. So yeah, what I got to do is I got to change that and the belt. I'm not too worried about the cover because it's not leaking oil, so I know it's not worn through. And to get these off, I find the easiest thing to do is you just take this hose support bracket out. This way you can get down there. Then you have three 10 millimeter headed bolts. There, there, and there. Because it's a little tricky doing just a belt on these, because you got to loop it through between this idler pulley and that tensioner pulley when you're just doing a belt on it. But actually it makes the life a little bit easier when you're actually doing a tensioner at the same time. So let me go ahead, let me get the belt out of there. I may just cut the belt just to make my life easier, but like I said, take this bracket out and that'll help you an awful lot. Alright, so there we go. I got the tensioner off, and if you look how worn down. Like, how long was this thing making noise, you know, with that bearing out of there? Obviously this thing was like that for quite a while. And if you look down here, you can see, I mean, it wore a heck of a groove down there. Let me put the phone down there. Hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. I mean, dang, you see that? I mean, that almost cut through the cover. I mean, that's a heck of a wear mark. So now I'm going to put the belt in place, and then I'm going to put the new tensioner on, because like I said, the belt routes behind the tensioner. It actually goes in this pocket here, because the tensioner sits like this, and the belt comes through here to go around the AC compressor. So basically you loop it in place first, just makes your life a little bit easier. When you're doing it without taking the tensioner out, you basically just fold the belt in on itself a little bit and then tuck it through, and then you have to pull it out the bottom. I mean, it's not bad, a little bit of a pain, but really not all that bad. So let me put this back together. This will be fine. Like I said, I'm not worried about that front cover. So anyway, that's it. If you're getting anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.